kilometre 15 of the Cameron Highlands Simpang Pulai road. The bus then flipped over and landed beside a rocky slope. According to Perak Deputy Chief Police Officer Datuk Zakaria Yusof, the vehicle was carrying 37 Thai tourists, of which 24 were killed, some of them children. The driver, co-driver and tourist guide were Malaysians. All three were also killed. About 100 police and fire department personnel were deployed to the site and sealed off the road. Rescuers recovered 22 bodies while another 4 people died on the way to the Permaisuri Bainon Hospital in Ipoh. About a dozen other passengers were wounded.
This just in, authorities are now investigating 2 leads which may have caused the bus crash. Perak Deputy Police Chief Datuk Zakaria Yusof said the police believe that the bus may either have been speeding or experienced a technical glitch during its journey.
Puncak kemalangan kita akan siasat, tetapi berkemungkinan disebabkan oleh laju ataupun technical braking problem. Tapi ini akan disahkan oleh pihak Puspatrom dan juga PKP. Ya, dia menurun mungkin daripada atas. Ya, oleh kerana impact itu dia telah langgar divider dan terbalik di belah kanan jalan menghala ke Simpang Pulai. Everywhere. On the road, scattered everywhere, under the bus. Belum lagi. Belum. Saya kanak-kanak so far ada juga, tapi kita belum kenal pasti dia punya jumlah. Kita akan maklum dia punya breakdown.
Datuk Zakaria added in the incident today, some of the remains of the victims were found lying all over the scene of the accident, while others were trapped in the mangled bus and had to be extricated by rescuers. The accident also caused a massive traffic jam along the Simpang Pulai Cameron Highlands road.